Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIE Wisdom School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, English Morning Shift. My dear students, this is the class for the student of class 1. Dear students, I am taking your language, English language subject. And for today's your first class of English language, and for the class you will take this book, Enjoying Grammar Book 1. Enjoying Grammar Book 1. Okay, let's see on our board about the summary of today. Today this is for class 1. This subject is English language. Today we will discuss lesson 1, exercise 1, 2, 3, CW, and today our lecture number is 1. This is your half yearly sessions first class, and I am Rahela Ferdousee. This is my mobile number. Students, today's date is 24/1/22. See the date here, I am writing 24/1/22. Okay, now do all of you have taken your book? Please open your book. Please open your book. Today we will do lesson 1. Come on this page. We will do this page today. Okay, this is page number 1. Let's see on the board. Here lesson 1 is about names of things, that is noun. So names of things is called nouns. Names of things is called nouns. Now read these conversations. The boy is saying, "Please give me a balloon." The person is saying, "Here you are," and the boy is saying, "Thank you." See, in your book, the word balloon is in red color. The word balloon is in red color. Now see here, "Mother, can I have some chocolate?" Mother is replying, "Here you are." And this word chocolate is also in red color. Why? Because balloon and chocolate are names of things. These two are the names of things. And all things have names. All things have names. Now we will do exercise number 1. Write the names of these things under each picture. The names are in the bag. There is a bag. In my sheet it is not so clear. In your book you can see that there is a bag, there is the handle of the bag, and in the bag there are so many words. You can see that there is given ball, bat, doll, robot, train, aeroplane, car, and drum. Now what we have to write? There it is said, write the names of these things under each picture. That means there are the pictures. Under the pictures we have to write the names of the things. Now you will take your pencil and I will take my pen. Okay, we will write. See, number 1 is done for us. It is a bat, and here it is written bat. So bat is done. Then number 2, what is this? Can you say? Yes, this is drum. This is drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Now, what is this? Yes, this is ball. I know. All of you can say the name. This is ball. Then there, what is this? It is doll. Yes, this is doll. So we will write here doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Now see, number 5, what is this? Yes, right here, this is aeroplane. This is aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. What is this? What is this looking like? Yes, right here, this is also a robot. This is a robot. R-O-B-O-T, robot. This is a robot. Now what left there? Train and car. So what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a train. This is a train. So write everyone, T-R-A-I-N, train, T-R-A-I-N, train. And last one, what is this? Yes, car, C-A-R, car. It's a car. So we have finished writing exercise 1. Number 1 was bat, 2 drum, 3 ball, 4 doll, 5 aeroplane, 6 robot, 7 train, and number 8 car. We have done exercise 1. Now come exercise number 3. Here it is said match the vegetables with their pictures. Here number 1, spinach. It has been drawn, that line has been drawn here. Now potato, we have to find out the potato. Where is it? Is it potato? No. Is it potato? No. Is it potato? No. Is it potato? Yes, it is. It is the potato. So we will draw a line like this way. Okay? Then come number 3, cabbage. Cabbage. Which one is cabbage? Is it cabbage? No. Is it cabbage? No. Is it cabbage? Yes, this is. This is a cabbage. So we will draw the line like this way, that this is a cabbage. Now come here. Number 4. We have to find out a cauliflower. Which one is cauliflower? Is it cauliflower? No. Is it cauliflower? No. Is it cauliflower? No. Is it? No. This is. Yes, this is cauliflower. Number F. Number F is cauliflower. Number F is cauliflower. Now come number 5, carrot. We have to find out carrot. Yes, I know within the time you have already find out all the things. So where is the carrot? There, this one, number C. This is carrot. From 5 we have to come to C. This is carrot. Now we will do cucumber. Where is the cucumber? Yes, the first one, number A. This is the cucumber. So how we can draw a line nicely for cucumber? We can come from here like this way. We can come here. This is cucumber. Okay, this is cucumber. Okay, so again I am matching. Spinach goes with number 1 and B. Potato goes with 2 and E. Cabbage number 3 goes to number D. Then number 4, cauliflower goes to number F. This is cauliflower. Carrot, it goes from 5 to C. And number 6, cucumber goes to A. We have done. Now come exercise number 4. Here it says circle the names of these pictures hidden in the big words in the box. That means there are so many words given. We have to find out the word. Number 1 is done for us. That is here given butter. It is already circled. Butter is already circled. Now we will find out number 2. There it is given GSPOONG. So see the picture. By seeing the picture we have to find out. Number 1, butter has been done. So what we will circle now? Can we find here GS egg is? Can we find egg? No, there is no option for egg. Can we find here for carrot? C? No, there is no C. Can we have option for bag? There is G, but there is no BAG. Okay, so not. Tomato? No, not also that. But there is spoon. Yes. So we will now circle spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Now we have done this one. Now see number 3, B-E-G-G-B. Oh yes, you are correct. This will be E-G-G. This will be E-G-G, egg. Number 4, H-B-A-G-H. Yes, you are correct. There will be bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay. Number 5. V tomato B. Yes, there will be tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And the last one, number 6, that is carrot. This carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Okay, so what words do we find? Butter, spoon, egg, bag, tomato, carrot. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you have understood very well. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.